On the morning of November 1st, 1755, the people of Lisbon gathered to celebrate All Saints' Day. Suddenly, the earth began to tremble. Within minutes, churches and palaces collapsed, and thousands were trapped beneath the ruins. As survivors fled into the streets, fires erupted, turning the city into an inferno. And then came the sea, a massive tsunami crashing into the harbor, sweeping away ships, markets, and entire neighborhoods. By the end of the day, tens of thousands were dead, and Lisbon lay in ruins. But the disaster did more than destroy a city. Across Europe, it shook faith, challenged philosophy, and transformed the way people understood nature, God, and the power of the earth. The Lisbon earthquake was not just a tragedy, it was a turning point in human history.